Say hi to the zebra, with black and white stripes like it's always wearing pajamas. Fun fact, no two zebras have the same stripe patterns like their fingerprint. What do you call a zebra with sunglasses? A cool stripe dude. Here's our tall friend, the giraffe. With the longest neck in the animal kingdom, they can lick their ears with their tongues. Try doing that, I bet you can't. The giraffe is tall, with a neck so high, he monks leaves straight from the sky. He tried to whisper to a tiny mouse, but bonked his head on a treetop house.